FPS Girls, Lesson 2 of Unit 3, Exercise 3.1, page 56. Now, the related to the topic ratio and proportion, the solutions are, first of all, solve examples, that is 1, 2, 3 on page 51 and 52. Then exercise questions from question number 1 to question number 4. And then we have also a review exercise in which we have these questions, question number 7, question number 8, question number 9 and 12. And these are on page 70. All these solutions are related to this topic. So we will have to solve the exercise question for you, and you can easily do the rest of the questions. You can do the rest of the question review exercise and examples with the help of these solutions. So first of all, question number 1, which is the greater ratio, 5:7 or 151:208? Now in this question, first of all, we will write down the given ratio, that is 5:7 or 151:208. Now, when we compare two ratios and check which one is the greater, so we will have to write down in the simplest form or lowest form. Now, as these ratios are already in the lowest form, so therefore 5:7 is the lowest form of this ratio. Similarly, 151:208 is also in the simplest form. So we will just compare the first quantity of the first ratio with the first quantity of the second ratio. Now that is 5 is now less than 151, or 151 is greater than 5. And when we check the second ratio, second quantity in first ratio, that is 7. And 7 is also less than the second quantity of the second ratio, which is 208. Or 208 is greater than 7. So therefore, by comparing both ratios in their corresponding quantities, so the result is 151:208 is greater than 5:7. Now this is the end of the solution. Question number 2. Gold and silver are mixed in the ratio 7:4. If 36 grams of silver is used, how much gold is used? अब इस क्वेश्चन में गोल्ड और सिल्वर का मिक्सचर जो है उसमें ये रेशो ली गई है 7:4, यानी 7 गोल्ड और 4 जो है वो सिल्वर डाला जाएगा. अगर हमें 36 ग्राम्स सिल्वर यूज़ करेंगे तो फिर उस मिक्सचर में हाउ मच गोल्ड इज़ यूज्ड, गोल्ड कितना चाहिए. सो लेट द गोल्ड सोल्यूशन में, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन द सोल्यूशन, लेट द गोल्ड यूज्ड, ये दैट इज़ x. हम इसको x सपोज करते हैं, जो गोल्ड यूज़ करेंगे वो x होगा. एंड वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. नाउ द गिवन रेशो इज़ गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर. Now the first condition, read the first condition again. Gold and silver are mixed in the ratio 7:4. Now in the second case, if 36 grams of silver, so the gold used is x. So we'll write down these two ratios in this form. First of all, now as you know that in proportion, we will have to write down the first ratio, which is 7/4, in the fraction form, and this is equivalent to the second ratio, that is x/36. Now with cross multiplication, how we find the value of x? So we will have to cross multiply 7 multiplied by 36 and 4 multiplied by x, so that is 4x. Now divide 4 on both sides to find the value of x. We will have to divide both sides with 4. So on the left side it will be cancelled with 4. 36 is cancelled with 4. It is divisible by 4 and it is 9 times. While on the right side it is cancelled with 1. As you know, 4 divided by 4 equals to 1. So we are left with 7 multiplied by 9 equals to x, and 7 nines are 63. So therefore the gold used is 63, and write down the unit of measurement, that is grams. So 63 grams. This is the end of the solution.